Jacob Use discount code JACOVIRAL to save when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. Links in the description. Thanks for watching and enjoy the video. You want to give me a rundown real quick on what I was in here real quick before a demo?
I got 3 Banks of Lithium needle-ons. I got a 8K Terror amp and 4 SA15s. Okay. 2 runs of positive from a 410 alternator.
Okay. 410 amp. Wow. Okay.
Yeah, JS.
Did you build the box?
No, Ryan Hall built the box and Josh White installed it all. Okay.
Have you metered it?
Huh?
Have you metered it yet?
Nope.
Nope.
First day getting it in.
Really? Okay.
Yep.
Do you know what it's tuned to, roughly?
32.
32? Yep. All right. Can I see the back?
Yeah.
Awesome.
Yeah, it's clean.
Thanks for the demo, man. Nice. And this is at 1 ohm?
Yeah.
Okay. Thanks for the demo, man. Nice to meet you.
What's your name?
Jacob.
Okay.
Yep.
Nice to meet you, man.
Yes, sir. Jacob Viral. Thank you, man. Awesome. All right. Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JACOBVIRAL when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.